Adding your face to your screen recording in Screencast-o-matic.com. Once you create an account for free, you can record from a desktop or from the app. This tutorial is from the view of the app. Select the red record button to start your screencast. Right now, I'm taking a screencast of a Google Slides presentation. I've saved that screencast. Now I go back in and select Edit, select Facecam, and now you can do a voiceover while adding your face to your presentation. You can move your face around and have fun. Select Pause when you're done filming, then select Merge. This merges your Facecam video with your original screencast video. Select Save a Copy. Then you can take that video, select More, and save the video to your device.